Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program to find the sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers. So given the value of n, so your task is to find the sum of squares. So let's get started. So let me take a variable n and let's use the input function call to ask a user to enter value of n. Yeah, so once the user enters, so let's convert from string type to an integer type using the type conversion. Yeah, so once we get the value, so now let's take another variable, that is total, in order to store the output value, that is sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers. So now let us try to iterate all that from 1 up to n. So for that, let's use for index in. So let's use a range starting from 1 up to n plus 1. So we are trying to iterate from 1 up to the value of n. The reason I'm using n plus 1 is I need to have the inclusive value of n. So once we get the range, that is from 1 up to n, so let us try to, that is find the square of index. So let's take the total variable. Total is equals to total plus the sum of squares. So now in order to square the index, so let's use a double star operator and raise it to power of 2. So this is an exponential operator. This is one of the arithmetic operator to raise it to the power of 2. So we are trying to find the sum as well as square of the first 10 natural numbers over here. Yes, once the for loop ends, so we'll be having the sum of squares stored in total. So let us try to print the total value, that is sum of squares of first 10 natural number is. So let me copy paste the same and let's give colon and in the flower braces. So let us try to print the total variable. Yeah, so this is a complete program. So let me try to run this and let me show you how it works. So enter the value of n. So let's give 5. So you can see sum of squares of first 10 natural number is 55. Closing it. So let's run it again. So let's give 25. So you can see sum of squares of first 10 natural number is 5525. Let's run it again. So let's give 13. So you can see 819 is a sum of squares up to 13. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program. So I'll give this code in the description. So that's all I had in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.